You're listening to leadai.dev, SST release v4.5.10. Embrace blue/green deployments. SST v4.5.10 introduces blue/green deployment support and a comprehensive database upgrade guide. What's new in SST? According to leadai.dev, SST has released version April 5th 10, which introduces blue/green deployment support. This update allows developers to route traffic between two identical environments, ensuring zero downtime during updates. Additionally, a database upgrade guide has been added, enabling better management of database schema changes and migrations. The new configuration options include blue environment and green environment in your SST config file, streamlining the deployment process significantly. Version April 5th 10 adds blue/green deployment support for seamless updates. New config keys, blue environment and green environment for environment setup. Who should care? If you're running SST to manage production applications, this update is crucial because it minimizes downtime during deployments. With blue/green deployments, you can test new features in the green environment while keeping the blue environment live, reducing latency to users to near zero. Previously, you may have relied on manual workarounds that could lead to service interruptions. Now, this is built in. However, if your use case involves only basic feature deployments, you might find this update less relevant. Minimize deployment downtime to nearly zero with built-in blue/green support. If using basic features, consider waiting for future updates instead. How to upgrade? To upgrade to SST v4.5.10, start by running the command npm update sest in your project directory. After updating, you will need to modify your SST configuration file to include the new blue/green deployment settings. If you're currently on version 4.x, this upgrade should be smooth. However, if you're still on version 3x, ensure to first back up your environment and review the migration documentation provided in the release notes. It's advisable to perform these upgrades during low traffic hours to avoid any potential issues. Run npm update sest to upgrade to v4.5.10. Add blue environment and green environment to your config for deployment. What's next? Looking ahead, the SST team is focused on enhancing integration capabilities with other cloud services, which may include beta features for automated rollback functionalities. This will allow developers to revert to the previous version more efficiently if issues arise. Compatibility with tools like Terraform and AWS CloudFormation will also be on the roadmap. Thank you for listening. leadai.dev. Key takeaways. Implement blue/green deployments to achieve zero downtime. Essential for production environments. Upgrade to v4.5.10 to utilize the new deployment strategies and reduce service interruptions. Check your configuration for breaking changes when migrating from older versions. Market signals. Increased interest in deployment strategies. More developers are looking for ways to minimize downtime during updates. What to do next? If you're deploying critical features frequently, upgrade to v4.5.10 to leverage blue/green support. If you're on any version lower than v4.x, prioritize upgrading to benefit from new deployment functionalities. If you're facing issues with downtime during updates, implement the blue/green strategy immediately. This has been leadai.dev. Stay building.